Independence Day, the 15th of August 1947, is a red letter day in the history of India. On this day, India got its independence. It has a special meaning for all the people of the country. It reminds us of the sacrifice and suffering that the freedom fighters had to undergo for winning freedom. India is gearing up to celebrate its 75 year of independence from British rule on August 15. India achieved its independence from British colonial rule on August 15, 1947. The struggle for freedom was a long and tiresome one, witnessing the sacrifice of many freedom fighters who laid down their lives for their country and fellow citizens. It also reminds every Indian citizen about the dawn of new beginning of an era of deliverance from the clutches of British colonialism for more than 200 years. The Indian independence movement began during World War I and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The Indian Independence Bill was introduced in the British House of Commons on July 4, 1947 and was passed within a fortnight. It marked the end of over 200 years of British rule on August 15, 1947. Many leaders played a prominent role in the Indian freedom struggle, including Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. Indian Independence Day is observed as a national holiday throughout the country. It reminds us of many sacrifices our freedom fighters made for the freedom movement and to get independence from British rule. However, the day also marked the partition of British ruled India into two countries, India and Pakistan. Independence Day is marked with the hosting of tricolor or Tiranga parades, cultural events, and citizens singing patriotic songs. On August 15, 1947, the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the national flag above the Lahori Gate of Red Fort in Delhi. It is a tradition that has since been followed by every Prime Minister with an address to the country. The 15th August is celebrated with due pomp and solemnity every year as the Independence Day. The national flag is hoisted on all government and private buildings of the country. Due respect is shown to the flag by display military and mass salute. There is a joy and happiness throughout the day. Public meetings are held and the significance of the day is explained. Every free country of the world has a memorable day. For the Indians, such a memorable day is the 15th August 1947. It brings for us a message that we should be vigilant over our independence at any cost. We should be prepared to shed our blood for it.